Assalamu alaikum, this is Nazmul. Today I will demonstrate my new AI agent workflow project, which is Instagram content AI system. Currently, I have 24 posts in Google Sheet, which is earlier I have created with the help of the AI agent. And here is my current workflow. The idea is, first of all, I fetch some of the posts. Actually, here, fetch 5 posts from the Evolve AI, Instagram AI, and the AI classifier will classify it whether it is relevant or not relevant or for our targeted audience. Then Cloud will rewrite it again uh, from the original post and finally append it into the Google Sheet. Okay, now I will execute the workflow. Workflow is start. Run an actor is running and it will fetch 5 posts from the Instagram Evolve AI, and the edit fields is actually fetch Instagram database have lots of columns, and I have take only 4 columns actually, which I will append into the Google Sheet. And AI classifier classified it with relevant or not. Here I can say uh, relevant. 5 out of 5 is relevant now, and the filter is filtered whether it is relevant or not. And the cloud is now rewrite the original post, and finally it will edit or append into the Google Sheet. Here is the Google Sheet. We have now more Instagram post in Google Sheet. Here here is the original post, and here is the rewrite post.